So I've never done like a get ready with me before, but I want to do hair, then makeup, then outfit. So I'm just gonna section it half up, half down. I just want to get the bottom out of the way. So let me just comb this out a bit. Now I got this new gadget. It says gem on it. I don't know that much about it. I do like that it has like a place that you can hold right here, because a lot of people will burn themselves. Okay, so I got this at Marshall's. It's called Gem brand. So you can get an unbranded hot tool without breaking your bank. If you haven't used a barrel before, a lot of people don't know how to use it and they can burn themselves, so practice. So I'm just gonna get a section. I don't want to do all the same size because I kind of want it to be different. Now, if you're not comfortable using one of these, it definitely gets hot. You need to be careful. It's like gonna look like this. And I go through, lately I'm into the straight ends look. So I'm just wrapping it around, going down, and then I kind of twist this back to get the root part. Like the white part, I twist that backward so I get the root. And it doesn't need very long unless your hair doesn't hold a curl very well. If you want to go the extra mile, then you could definitely pin them. I have somewhere to go later, but I have all the time to like do this. So I thought, why don't I just do a tutorial? Do thicker sections, but I kind of want like a variety of fullness. It doesn't have to be like, I usually do like the same size so it looks like uniform, but today I'm just doing whatever. And I just wrap it around and I'm holding the end so I don't actually like touch the barrel, and I don't want it curled. If you wanted it curled, then you would just like wrap it down. And I'm just like, when you let it cool, like I hold it, you can hold it and kind of air it because that's what keeps it cooled. And then it's just a looser. It's seriously very easy and simple to do. Like they're soft waves. You can make them tighter. Actually, let's do a thicker one. You'll get done quicker if you do thicker sections. It just depends on the look that you want. I think the waves are so cute. Using this barrel is way easier than trying to use a curling iron, and I don't use the Dyson wrap, like that curler thing. I just haven't tried it. Practice makes perfect, and this barrel just makes it easier and more achievable to get the look. If you're just like, no way, like I can't do this, I'll burn myself, or you tried it and it just doesn't come out the same, I totally understand. I'm using a larger size barrel, so keep that in mind because I do have a longer length. If you have a shorter length, go ahead and use like a 1 inch and you can do a tighter curl. And then once you're done putting that tight curl in, run your fingers through and it'll loosen them and it'll look like a wave. But I like using a longer extended barrel that's wider because I want the loose wave look. So if you want that as well, then get the 1.5 extended barrel. And if you're like, oh, I really can't do this, it's hard. If you happen to have a dry bar near you, then just go in, schedule an appointment, and ask for the Mai Tai. This is their signature Mai Tai look, and I absolutely love it. One, because it's easy for me to do. It's not like Shirley Temple look That's why I like my ends straight for the most part, but I kind of do miss having curled ends, so I'm pretty sure I'll be doing that soon just to switch it up. Keep in mind, you don't always have to do your hair just for a special occasion. Any day is a great day to do some self-care, and if having your hair done makes you feel better, then try penciling that in for your work week, or if you have, a nice dinner to go to, it's achievable. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you're still watching, I really appreciate it. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you ended up trying this hairstyle. I'm curious. I kind of want more texture at the base, so I'm just pulling it back. Kind of lifts up the wave there. I'm just like touching it up and playing around with it. You don't have to, you could just leave it as is. So I'm just going through again and doing the subsections, but I'm mainly focusing at the root. I actually enjoy styling my hair this way and using this tool. This thing was only like $25 at Marshall's. It really doesn't take much time. I know not every Marshall's is the same. Like, I never shop there. But the one that's by our house is different than the typical. So just remember, they're not all the same. And the one that we have that's by our house wasn't always like as good as it currently is. I love these hair clips. They work so well. I have a lot of hair, and I need something that can hold it. So if you have less hair, they should work too. This is like 1.5 a ceramic extended barrel. But it did come with a 1-inch ceramic barrel and 1.25 ceramic barrel. So you get 3 of them in one, and it locks and unlocks. But I got it for this one because I already have the other sizes. Like, I have every hair tool. Well, not every hair tool, but I have a lot of hair tools. And honestly, they will loosen. Like, right now they're tighter. They will loosen. If you have like an event to go to, don't run your hands through them until like right before you're gonna go. That way they'll last longer. And don't be afraid to like spray them individually. Not just like where you hold it out and then spray. Like, that looks like such a good one. Like, I just love it. It's like perfect. When you actually have the time to like get ready and like do your hair and not be in a rush, it's enjoyable and not a chore.